Oh. Ouch! This is a brutal challenge here, Aaron.
Okay, we are out here today with
Robby Hargreaves.
Robby Hargreaves, and we got a challenge for you today. I'm excited for this.
I'm not. No, I'm really excited. I am. But
like,
I'm nervous.
He's like, no, he's not. It's okay. It's okay to not be excited. And in this one, don't be excited.
Uh-oh.
This is what you're gonna do.
Okay.
You're gonna go over there and do not turn around.
Okay. How far? Tell me
Maybe
when to
like,
stop.
Stop right there. Okay, I need your guys' help.
Is it a bag of concrete?
A bag of concrete is a great idea. Okay, we're just gonna lay these boards out. We're gonna set them up against that ledge right there. Actually, maybe it's easiest if we just form a line. What the is right?
Oh my.
Careful with that. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. Okay, we gotta get a count. How many's there? 14, 15. Okay, Robby, now you can turn around, and this is the challenge. 30 minutes to kickflip all the boards.
Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh, what?
I'll let you have a look at them. I'm pretty sure some of these are just straight up impossible.
I don't know, but this is I'm gonna say last.
No, that's easy.
Dude, I am not a rip sticker.
Yeah, you are. You're a ripper.
All right, yeah. All right, well, but I'm gonna save that one probably.
Okay, there's one in here that's completely impossible.
This one? Yeah, that looks pretty tough. That one's, what the? Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna say nothing. I know the secret to most of these.
Well, it's just gonna be foot placement.
Yep.
I like that one. That one looks interesting because of the way it flexes on the top.
Yeah, it wasn't always like that. I don't know what happened.
Is this carbon fiber or is it plexiglass?
It is 3D printed.
Oh, okay.
Somebody 3D printed that.
What if the board breaks? Does that mean it's just a wash? Because I see one that looks like, I don't know what this is made out of, but, oh no, that won't break.
That's a stained glass.
Oh, it is glass.
I forget what it's made out of.
Well, yeah, anything breaks. I like the mini logo trucks on it. Oh, that one's deceiving.
It's already broken a little bit.
Okay.
Halfway, but that's doable.
But that's how I do this one. So
okay, you ready?
I'm gonna just start on this side and work my way down.
Hey Suri, set a timer for 30 minutes. 30 minutes is now counting, and go!
Oh, I guess I don't need to rush. This is all about...
What is it all about? You might need to rush.
Whoa, not yet.
Start with the easy one, bro. Actually, I cannot give you advice. That one might be impossible now that's broken. No, you got this. The other way, for sure. Yeah, now you get it.
Can we do old school kickflip?
Yeah. Oh no, it's broken. Okay, that one's broken.
Sorry.
Forfeited.
You could put the longboard in.
Oh yeah, how did I forget the longboard? Wow, stained glass for the money. First try, let's go. Okay, that one's done.
Oh, the Carver crooked truck.
Oh yeah, this one could be difficult too. Yes, yes sir. Yes, he's making light work of this.
Oh, shin.
In the shinner. Reminds me of a movie.
There we go.
The Shining.
The Shining.
Good job.
All right,
okay, this one's easy. This is the teak deck. This is teak wood on top.
I like that.
That's a nice board.
I like that. There's actually some grip on there.
Really nice, isn't it?
Well done. Nice artwork.
Yep.
Oh. I think I've tried this one before.
Egg board.
Oh! Oh, I was gonna try and land with one foot.
You can. Oh, wow! He did it, actually. Yeah. Yeah.
Double?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, you got this. There you go. Right here. First try.
First try? See, if I rush myself, I'm gonna get too tired.
And then you won't be able to do any kickflips.
Yeah.
There you go.
You see that little shifty action?
Well played.
All right.
That was like a PJ Ladd style.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, no.
Yeah, be careful on the shins, please.
One try, only try.
Oh. Ouch! Did you hear that? Wow, you did it!
I would say light work, but this board's heavy.
It is very heavy. This one, I don't know. I think actually what happened is it sat in the sun in the car, and it might be broken to the point of no kickflips. I believe this has been done. That's a tough one. Very tough.
The shape makes it.
Yeah, the shape.
It's like that wavy board.
You have 25 minutes still.
Oh, this one's gonna be a challenge. I gotta mob it, I feel like.
Yeah, down flick.
Oh, no.
It's like a late pop flick down.
There we go.
Yeah. Yeah. There it was!
Oh.
Okay, that was legendary, Robby.
Oh my gosh, okay. Figuring it out.
Wow, wow, well done. Now get rid of that thing before it haunts you for the rest of your life. Okay, this one is for sure impossible.
You think so?
Yes. This is how you know it's impossible. Everybody gets their phones out.
We're going viral.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's no way.
I'm gonna get it.
No way.
I'll break it down, I'll figure it out.
Well.
It's a little forward, gotta kick off the front.
No way. There's no way that even flips 3/4. Half maybe. I can't believe he's still trying it.
This is the hardest one, for sure.
No way. He's not throwing in the towel. He is never giving up.
Never.
Yeah. Yeah, you got it, Robby.
Oh man. Is this the one that's never been done?
Definitely never been done, because it's impossible.
Yeah, it's big.
Maybe a shove it and call it a day?
No.
Yeah, kick it out of there. Get
I'm
it
gonna
out of
come
there.
back.
Forfeit.
No, there's no forfeits. Unless they break.
There's a secret to this one.
It's definitely not that way. Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
that's the secret. How weird is it that it works like that though? Isn't that weird?
Yeah, you'd think there's not enough leverage.
Yeah, but it's full leverage. How does that work so good?
I don't know.
There's something science behind that.
Here,
We need Paul Schmidt to
if I
explain.
can do it this way, then we're getting rid of that one.
Deal.
Oh, cheer me on.
You got it! I think you gotta flick way later. Or maybe it's impossible.
You want me to do an impossible?
Yeah. Do not.
Maybe I gotta roll.
Terrifying. You can go on to the next one. There's a
Yeah.
couple in there that are really easy for you.
Yeah, so
I'll give you
I'm
some nice ones.
What's my time? What am I at, 20
Let's
minutes?
check the timer. You're at 21:36.
Okay, all right, we're good. We're looking good
Freaking
still.
21 minutes left. Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna come back to that. Oh, let's go! Shout out Mike Osterman.
Shout out Mike Osman, you're the best.
Oh.
I was gonna say, if he does primo to primo kickflip. Yeah! It was a Baker make. Shout out Baker.
Oh!
Robby today!
Oh!
We need a whole compilation.
That would actually probably do well.
Probably would.
I have some good falls. Chain reaction rail.
It's true. Yeah.
All right,
You like The Simpsons?
I do.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Bart's the man.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the Bart board. Does he like kickflip off the roof onto the car?
Yeah. Wow. Whee!
Yeah. Man, it's a workout, Aaron.
I know.
I specifically didn't go to the gym today because I had a feeling you were gonna work me out here
You
somehow.
knew what was coming, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Maybe we should make a workout. Will it be like P90X of skateboarding?
Yeah, kickflip 90X skateboards.
Why'd you skip that one?
I don't-
Just kidding. That's impossible.
It looks pretty darn impossible. That or dangerous.
Okay.
This is
Guys,
like,
look at that.
is this an Andy Anderson board in metal? No, this is, what's that, Punisher.
Oh, it does look like that, but this is like even before Punisher. Somebody just made this for us.
Andy Anderson copied his pro model board after this one.
Straight up titanium. Titanium. This one flicks well. Do not be deceived.
Okay,
Told you.
that was really good.
First try.
First try! Okay, I'm gonna pass on that, guys.
Yeah.
I'm saving these tough ones for the end.
I love how he skipped this and the ripstick.
Like I'm gonna be able to kickflip on that one.
Wow. Wow.
Did
First
that
try,
break?
I'm impressed. Yeah.
I'm breaking it.
You got it. It don't break, don't worry.
Okay.
It's a light. You got it. There you go.
It was like 5 in a row. Couldn't land one of them. But I got it. Never give up. So we got, let's narrow this down.
All those are done.
Another one's broken.
Oh yeah, these ones. That was just mean though. That was just mean.
That was a mean, this is mean. How in the?
I know, that one's,
But
I just threw it in there for comic relief.
You know, let's.
This don't count.
I'm gonna try my best.
Do not try your best.
I'm gonna do my best. This is gonna be interesting.
This one you can do.
Shove it would work great.
Yes.
Oh
wow! First try. I thought you were gonna do that.
I don't know if this is cheating by moving the.
No, it's called intelligence.
The swivel out of the way. Oh, you know what? I could just move that one out of the way too. Use that for my flick. Oh, back.
Like, there's no way that's gonna work. There's nowhere to flick.
Get out of here. No!
You got it. You got it 100%.
Yeah, that's the right idea though. Move that thing out of there.
Yeah.
Oh, keeping your balance is the hardest part.
Yeah.
Oh!
There you go.
We got another one.
We got one.
For the reel. Oh, okay. It's right there.
Wow. Yeah.
Double.
What in the... You got it! You got it 100%!
Oh, the hardest part's landing on it and
Yeah.
keeping your balance there.
Yeah! You got it, Robby. Yeah!
That was 3 seconds, yeah?
Yeah, sure. You guys count it? Leave it in the comments below.
Do you guys count it?
I counted.
Okay, I don't know if they're watching. All right, hold on. I don't like controversy.
What they say in the comments is, if you have to ask, it doesn't count.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, they're gonna say, good for Robby he's gonna land it better.
It's gonna land it better, yeah. There it is.
That's it, you gotta.
How do you even do that? It's quite impressive, honestly.
It's really a challenge. My front foot needs to be there. Okay. Oh!
We got another one. Bodied, brutal.
I'm getting sweaty. Yeah, this is a brutal challenge here, Aaron.
Yeah, 100% make.
All right, right here.
Wow! The world's first ever primo.
Wow, that would have been cool if I could have balanced that out.
12 minutes, 49 seconds.
Oh, don't way to put the pressure on me. I was still thinking I had like 15, 16 minutes.
Wow. That was the land. Yeah, I suppose it's just hard to land at all. There it is! There it is! Stay on there!
That was it. Dang it, no, that's not it.
I love how he said that.
If I would have stepped off, but I fell off.
That was it. And then he goes, no, that was not it.
I was thinking about the comments. I'm like, no, they're totally gonna hate on it.
Yeah. Wow, though.
Come on! The rest are gonna be easy
Be
after
one
this
with the board. There it is. Oh my word. Okay, you got it. I believe in you. Wow. For some way, that popped so good. Like the steeziest kickflip I've ever seen.
On a tiny board. Well, okay, here we go. This is it. I'm about to give it the lip slide test.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, okay, this is taking too long.
Come on. Come on now. 9:53.
All right, we're good.
We're down to single digits.
As I get more tired, it definitely gets harder.
Wow. You have the technique. You just need one make.
Maybe I gotta go this way.
Wow! Stay in there. And that was a make. Well done. Well played.
I am sweaty.
That was the hardest kickflip you've ever done in your whole career.
Until this one.
No, this one's not hard.
Okay. At least it's level.
I knew that was gonna happen.
What the? Oh, I got it backwards. Okay.
I just was waiting for it.
I didn't even think that the point of leverage was totally beyond the nose there. Like.
Yeah, see? Almost first try. It's an awkward one, but not impossible.
What the?
The trucks are hitting.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. think the trucks will bend down and hit the ground. Wow, watch the shinner. You're freaking me out with this thing. Now
I like the pressure.
Wow!
All right.
That was Richter on the Richter scale.
I'm literally saving the ripstick for last.
No, do not. This one's impossible. This is just a joke. I didn't put it in there. I didn't mean to.
I think that's a lie.
If you do a shove it, we'll count it. Good. Exit now.
Okay.
Get that thing out of here.
Here you go.
No, do not touch that. Actually, you can touch it, but don't hurt yourself, please. This one, you're gonna have to be rolling. You gotta rip it. There's no way to do it not rolling, because it won't hold up. Yeah, see?
There's no, it's not happening.
Yeah, you just rip it. You know how to rip?
No.
Wow, Robby's never ripped before. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, shake your booty like Shakira. Yeah, just like that. Perfect.
Oh, there we go.
Good, now you're getting the used to it. How? How did that happen?
Well, the front wheel went that way and the back wheel went that way.
Oh.
Yeah. I know it's possible. I've seen JD do it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 100%.
But I'm not even worried about flipping. I'm worried about rolling away.
I said, please do not skate that. In the background, they're doing 3 shoves. You can roll away. Roll away just like you rolled in. Your final board, you have 5 minutes, 53 seconds left. What kind of cheater mode?
Yeah, I don't
think you can kickflip. This one's easy. This one's like an actual thing.
Oh, I see.
I think you just need to get used to riding it a little more. Like ride it around the skate park a couple times probably help you. Yeah, like tic-tacs. Like almost like you're tic-tacking, yeah. There you go.
I think the problem is my back is so sore now. I'm 37, trying new things. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Set your feet up. Okay.
We love a good ripstick. Yeah,
Tray
got
flip.
it, Robby. It's definitely been tray flip.
Really?
Oh, board slide handrail? Come on, we've done everything.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, you got it, you got it.
Oh, I kind of want to do like a flamingo.
Yeah, that's a good one too. I'm shocked. Out of all these, the one that stumps you is the ripstick.
Yeah.
For sure you can ripstick flip.
Yeah, I'm guessing you're going to show me the secret after.
No, let me show you it now. Okay. So you're gonna pop just like a tail, but on your flick, your front foot, you're gonna have it kind of like here.
Oh.
And then you're like flicking.
That way you're hitting something. Okay.
But I think the main thing is just get used to riding it.
Manual. Oh, that was like the best try. Oh yeah.
See, now flick more forward and into the nose. Yes.
That's a tough one.
Yes, it is.
I'm about to lip slide test this.
Yeah, I'm down.
No, these are fun.
You couldn't pop it though.
Probably not.
Start out normal. Like, okay, you're starting out normal with your foot high. And then when you're ready, then put it back and then flick.
Don't wait too long.
Yeah.
Robby's ripping the park.
Robby's ripping it up.
I knew I waited too long. I was like,
I see what you mean by don't wait too long.
Yeah, I just got stuck in that position there. I think this is my match here.
Kryptonite.
I don't know.
He's got ripstick kryptonite. People keep saying, Aaron, please teach Chloe how to ripstick.
Teach me.
There it is.
All right, what's my time?
You are at 4 seconds.
No! I met my match.
Yeah? The ripstick it did you?
Yeah, it's my kryptonite.
That was good though. That was good. You did 11?
11.
12?
I mean, I landed on it. Leave it in the comments below if you think that counts. It's a ripstick, man.
Yeah, come on guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And if you need a skateboard, go to Solvang Skate Shop and support Robby.
Thank you, Aaron. I appreciate you giving me a workout right now, testing out my kickflip abilities on all these crazy skateboards. Make sure you guys like this video. Please subscribe to Solvang Skate Shop on YouTube. Please add me on Instagram as well, and support your local skate shop.
All right, we love you guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Later.